Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In previous video we were doing a paper squishy, so today I want to continue this topic. I wanted to show you another ways how to make squishy toys, and I hope you enjoy it. Let's start. So, for this squishy toy, we will use a sponge. Cut 2 circles. Now we put super glue along the contour and glue these two parts together. Excellent! Now we need color modeling clay, which dries quickly in the air. You can buy these on hobby shops or on different online shopping sites. Well, on this side we put some blue clay. Cut off the excess. Make a wavy circle of pink clay. Put it on the top of the future squishy toy. Now we use green clay. Roll out a line. Cut it out in zigzag pattern from one side. And put it on the bottom. Cut off the excess. Nice! You can make an ice cream horn and put it on the top. Also, you can make ears like these. Stick them to the toy. Paint a face. I highly recommend applying some transparent glue to an ice cream horn and covering it with the gold glitter to increase the coolness of the toy. Now we paint sprinkles. The squishy toy turned out to be surprisingly nice and beautiful. I like it so much. I hope you also find it beautiful. So for the second idea, we will use a bag. This part is filled with anything, cotton wool, napkins. We fixate it with the tape. This part is also filled and fixated. In the end, we need to get an ice cream silhouette. Something like this. Now we need a colored sticky tape and begin to stick it. We start with the top. Stick red and white spirals. Of course, you can use another colors or even just white to do it. This part at the bottom is decorated with the yellow tape. Stick it around, cut off and continue until the very end. So we've got a squishy toy. This idea is very affordable. I hope you like this video and please write me in the comments which toys do you prefer. Have an extremely good mood and yeah, see you soon, bye!